In this Makey video, I'm going to explain how to assign the pre-recorded audio in Scratch 3.0 to a specific key on your keyboard. This video builds on the previous video in this series. Like in Scratch 2.0, Scratch 3.0 has an entire library of sounds that you can use in your projects. Here's how you find and import those built-in sounds. Click on the Sounds tab at the top. Currently, we're on the Coding tab. Let's click over on Sounds. And then down here in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see a speaker icon. And if you mouse over it, you'll see another icon with a magnifying lens that says Choose a Sound. That's what we're about to do. And then Record, which we've already done. Surprise, it'll import a surprise sound. And then also Upload Sound. If you found a sound somewhere else, perhaps on the internet, you could import it into your project. For now, we're going to focus on the magnifying lens, Choose a Sound. So I'm going to click on that. And now when I mouse over any of these audio recordings, you can see there's a lot of them. If I just keep scrolling, there's a lot of different sounds, but you can also see at the top here that there are sounds categories. I'm going to choose the percussion sound, and I like the drum jam. And to import that into my project, I just click on it. And you can see I'm back at my project on the Sounds tab here at the top, and over here on the left-hand side, you can see the menu of sounds that I have, including the meow sound that we started with, the North America sound, the South America sound, and now the drum sound. I can play that here. And I can even play around with these sounds to change them, if you will. I can even edit the sound, but I'm going to just reverse it and see what that sounds like. I kind of like that, so I'm going to stick with it. I'm going to go back to my Coding tab at the top left, and I'm going to create a little piece of code here and choose when, let's see here, go to Events, when space key pressed, and we used this in the previous instructional video. Now I'm going to go back over here to Sound, play sound meow until done. I'm going to drag that underneath. And of course, I'm going to, we've already used space and up arrow, so I don't want to use space again for this. I'm going to choose the down arrow. And then I'm going to, instead of play sound meow until done, I'm going to choose the drum jam that I just selected earlier. So when I hit the down arrow on my keyboard, this is what it should sound like. And now when I hit the up arrow, it should play the South America sound, which I recorded in the previous video. South America. There you go. So now you know how to import sounds from the Scratch 3.0 library. Have fun.